What's up, guys? Sarah Guppy. Mining away in Animal Company. Anyways, yeah, let's get to it. Mining away. Yeah, it's been like a week since I've played this game, so I probably have like a million thingy-majigs or whatever they're called. Like, level up shards? I don't know. But yeah, let's get right into it. Money talks. I'm kind of horrified of this game because I die almost every single time I play it. So I don't know. The heck were the caves like upgraded? I remember this. It's kind of freaking me out. Oh, I guess I'll just keep going forward. Uh-oh. Yeah, maybe let's not go that way. Yeah, we're not gonna go that way. Huh. Okay, let's go this way then. Oh, here we are. Okay, and there's our first shard. Oh! Got one already. That was crazy. I already got one. Let's see, whatever. Do you see any others? I don't know. I think we should hop down here a little bit and observe. Okay, how about that way? It's like a bluish color, which is pretty cool. Whew. Oh, there's crystals for but there's also spiders. What the? Okay, I think he's chill. If we're chill. Okay, he's doing damage to me, so I'm gonna do damage to him now. Hey, buddy wanted beef, I give him. These things like break. So it's kind of guarding off crystals. Money talks. Oh, got another one. Money talks. Money talks. Told you, bro. Money talks. Money talks. Oh my gosh. You're getting so many. I already have 5. Oh, some up there. Okay. Money talks. Oh, there's a speeder coming. Whew, close one. Money talks. Got another one. I'm on a roll.
I fell, bro. Kitty, I fell. How did you do that?
Let's keep on moving. What is this? Ow. Ow, what the? My crowbar stuck, so it's forcing me to get hurt by that. I saw you, sneaky cobweb. I was there, just going to the cobweb to do this again. I'm at too low of health for this spider, please. Please, bro. Oh, I'm freaking horrified. Back, you foul beast. That was scary, bro. Not even gonna lie. That kind of freaked me.
Oh.
Alright, I think that's all we can redeem for today. How much was that, like free or something? Or, yeah, I think it's about all we can redeem for today. So you can redeem like one every 16 hours or something.
We're on the computer. Just like.
Anyways, time to sell these, and let's get my pictures. Many times. Many times.
Yo, agree. Yeah, I'm gonna just put this in real quick.
Okay. I'm just trying to move. Oh, the heck, I am green.
I got the elf outfit, guys. I got the elf outfit.
Nice.
Look, some kid told me to put also.
What's a backpack?
Me.
Hey, if you give me that, I'll give you this.
Like there's anything in it. This is an unreleased item. I'll trade you anything.
The Sigma.
Absolutely.
Let's go get the shotgun. I should find a bear up here. Oh, close one. Yep, shotgun's up there.
Wait, I can give you a glitched pickaxe that's red and has a purple outline.
I really don't want to die while having this hook shot. It's the only hook shot I got right now. Frick! My hook shot.